Okay, this is the second film progress report on doing those 38 rim fires. This is a soft lead bullet cast from a Lee 9mm 120 grain pan lube type bullet. And I take this as a core and I put it in this press. I'm going to get further back here. You can see. Alright, I put it in that press. See if you can see what I'm doing here. Can either set it on here. First I got to show you this. I'll put the thing back on. Sorry folks, I'm just not organized. This is the ram. And you see this ram has got that hollow in it that makes the heel on the base of the bullet. It's the ram that pushes up from the bottom. Okay, this is a pre-powder coat swage. This is what it looks like after I swage it. The first time, this is undersized. This is a 3.3565 bullet. And you see, this is a ram. It pushes up underneath. I'm going to find that focus. And it swages that up into the die. I'll show you what I start with. Start with this. This is a bullet that I molded from a Lee 9mm mold. This is 3.565 diameter. It's called a pan lube mold. It's a 220 grain bullet. And then I take that and swage it into this to get rid of the lube grooves and to put the heel on it. I want that heel. Now, next step is to powder coat this. Next step is to powder coat that. And then swage it again into a bullet for a 38 rimfire, and that is going to swage into a hollow base. I got some around here somewhere. That's going to swage into a hollow base. And a little bit fatter. This is the final dimensions, but this doesn't have powder coat. It's going to have that's 0.375, and the base is 0.3. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's 0.375. The base is 0.35 8, which is the same as the pre-swaged bullet, the final diameter. So start with this. Start with this. Pre-swage it. See, that's got a flat base, but it's got the heel. That's undersized, so it's got room for the powder coat. And then swage it again after the powder coat with the hollow base to the final dimension, which is 0.375. You can tell it's a little fatter, a little shorter. This is how I swage it. This is the bullet, the original 9mm bullet. Put it in here, or it's better to stick it up in there. Shove it into the thing, and then swage it. And this, I don't know if you can see that. That is the extraction pin. It comes out like this. Now that's ready to powder coat, and then it'll be a little fatter because the powder coat's about 3/1000 of an inch. Then I'll re-swage it to the final size, and the powder coat stretches. So it'll be a perfectly sealed powder coated bullet. And the powder coat is very slippery and hard. So it's far better for lubing the bullets than normally on a lead bullet. You just grease them or use a grease to so the lead doesn't stick to the barrel when it goes down the barrel. But powder coat works much better. So there you are.